Hi, this video I will show you how to replace the left door for the E77660 HP printers. First of all, you need to use the tornado screwdriver, and as you see, you will have many tornado door on the left door, and immediately you need to use the slot to make the left door to install on it. First of all, you need to remove the around 10 Torx screws. This Torx screw is on the point I point to you, and because they have a shell, if we remove this Torx screw, you can make the door install onto the printer. As you see, when you remove the Torx, you have a grab. You can open the grab for the left door. That's the key for the to install the left door.